Hi and welcome to Inspirational STEM. My name is Harish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the AC problem today, which has vertical asymptotes. All right. So the out here we have this particular equation, and we want to find out which of the following equations represents the vertical asymptote. So let's talk about vertical asymptotes for a little bit. See what those are. Those are imaginary vertical lines that a function will approach, but it's never going to cross it. Okay, so never goes across it. So let's take a quick example. Function of x equals 1 over x. So what's happening here? As the function approaches 0 from the negative side, you see it getting larger and larger and larger on the y, negative y. Okay, and as the function approaches 0 from the positive x direction, you'll see it's getting larger and larger and larger in the positive y direction, but it's actually never crossing this x equals 0. This x equals 0 line is what's called the vertical asymptote here, because this graph is actually never crossing it. It's getting very, very close to it. Okay, and then there's one other thing that we want to notice here, that for rational expressions like these, the denominator cannot be equal to 0, and that is where you have a vertical asymptote, because that is not possible, that does not exist. So in this case, when x is 0, you had a vertical asymptote, as we said before, at x equals 0. So in the same case, in a similar fashion, out here in the one we have, this particular one, when we set this denominator equal to 0, then that is when we can find our vertical asymptote. So let's go ahead and see the different steps of this. The step 1 is we're going to take the denominator 2x minus 6, which is right here, and we're going to go ahead and set it as 0, because we said that's not possible, does not exist, so there's a vertical asymptote there. All right, so denominator equals 0 is a vertical asymptote. So let's go and do that. 2x minus 6 equals 0. So I'm just going to bring this over to this side, or we have 2x equals 6, and just go ahead and divide by 2 on both sides. So we have x equals 3. So x equals 3 is that location on the graph where we have a vertical asymptote. So the correct choice is choice G here, where x equals 3 represents the vertical asymptote of this particular uh, rational equation. All right, I hope you enjoy this. I'll talk to you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.